Hello everyone, I am back with the educational videos. That is, today we will see the brief knowledge about genetic disorders. So it is one of the point of syllabus in our third year Kamarabritya subject. What is this genetic disorders? These are maybe the familial diseases or hereditary diseases or genetic diseases. In our Ayurveda, it is categorized under Sahaja Rogas, Kulaja Rogas, Adibala Pravritti and Bija Doshaja Rogas. Usually in our Ayurveda it is caused by Bija, Bija Bhaga and Bija Bhaga Avayava. Any differences or any complication in these three will form the diseases. Those are known as genetic disorders. That is, Bija is nothing but the ovum or sperm. Bija Bhaga means we can consider as a nucleus, and Bija Bhaga Avayava maybe the chromosomes or any particular structure in whole body. So due to any defect in this Bija Bhaga Avayava or Bija will cause some other complaints in future life. Those complaints are known as genetic disorders. So what are these categorized as Kulaja, Sahaja and Adibala Pravritti and Bija Doshaja Rogas. Kulaja means, however, we know hereditary diseases. We know the pedigree chart of our hereditary diseases, right? The siblings some will be carrier, some will be recessive, or some will be the prone to disease. These all we have, right? So Kulaja Rogas means the hereditary one disease which follows the ancestors and their pedigree chart. That is, for example, we may take Madhumeha or the blood pressure. These all are hereditary diseases, right? We can prevent it by following Dinacharya and Ritucharya, but we can't avoid it. We can't totally avoid it. One or other day or one or other age it will come. But we can prevent it by following Dinacharyas. We can prevent the disease for longer duration, but we can't avoid it. So those are Kulaja Rogas. Next is Sahaja Rogas. Sahaja Rogas means one which this is caused due to Shukla Dushti or Artava Dushti. For example, Kushta. Actually, this Kushta is also one of the hereditary disease, but not compulsory, right? We can prevent it. Or if we will be having this Kushta due to any Shukla Dushti or Artava Dushti. Those are Sahaja Rogas. Next thing is Adibala Pravritti. This Adibala Pravritti in our Acharya Sushruta Samhita, it is mentioned synonym to the Sahaja Rogas. The next thing is Bija Doshaja Rogas. Means any like sperm defect or ovum defect or Bija Bhaga defect. These all defects will form one or other complaints in future life. Those are categorized under Bija Doshaja Rogas. So till now it was about the Ayurveda. So to correlate this in modern way, obviously we can say as genetic disorders or hereditary disorders. But as we have the defect in the genes or chromosomes, we will say it has a hereditary disorder. But all diseases will not be a hereditary. Some may be only genetic, but we can prevent it by following some rules or regulations. Or like some diseases are elderly pregnancy we can form. These all, but it's not compulsorily that it's hereditary. We can categorize, so only we can categorize as a genetic disorder. This genetic disorder are nothing but the defect in gene or chromosome, maybe in their mutation or inheritance, the structural defects. These all may cause some complaints in a body that may categorized under genetic disorder. As in Ayurveda, in modern it is categorized under chromosomal disorders or single gene disorder, multifactorial disorders or inheritance, and mitochondrial disorder and somatic cell disorder. They are categorized under these 5 headings. First one is chromosomal disorder. In this chromosomal disorder, there will be any structural defect in the chromosome, like for example maybe Down syndrome or Edwards syndrome. These all will come under chromosomal disorders. Next thing is single gene disorder. In this, maybe a single gene defect like X-linked chromosome or Y-linked chromosome. Any single gene disorder may cause or disease may cause single gene disorder. Next point is multifactorial inheritance. This multifactorial inheritance is some changes or multifactorial changes which may force the body to have a complaints. Like for example, cleft lip. These all are not diseases, but some disorders of a body. These diseases will come under multifactorial inheritance. Next thing is mitochondrial disorder. These mitochondrial disorders are some optic neuropathies. These all diseases like optic neuropathies will come under mitochondrial disorders. So last one is somatic cell disorder. As name only suggests, somatic cell disorders means it is cell disorder. Any cell disease, like for example a cancer, cell defect will come under somatic cell disorder. So this was a brief knowledge about genetic disorders. These genetic disorders are categorized as Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, muscular dystrophies, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, or juvenile diabetes, that is Sahaja Madhumeha. These all will come under genetic disorders. So from next video, we will see one by one diseases in every video. So if you feel this video is helpful and it will be helpful for your studies, then kindly share with your friends who are studying this comorbidity subject or who want the knowledge of genetic disorder. And if you are seeing my video for first time, kindly subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you.